this particular question is a whole teaching on its own. But I'll try so that man is tripartite in nature. Man is a spirit worked on. So your spirit man is immediately changed, but your soulish man prove what is that good. What is that road thereby? So now your soul must now go through renewing of your mind. So now in Acts 20 verse 32 it says that brethren, now which is able to build you up. So it is what? A process. Now, washing of the Holy Ghost. We were once foolish, we were once living wayward lives, but by the washing of the Holy Ghost, we are being what? Regenerated. We are being born again. Your spirit man is born again. But now your soulish man must be worked on. So we get to grow after we are born again through the what? Eat them. Eating the word, meditating on the word, that immediately undergoes change. But your soul
is
in
ever
transition.
Transforming. And it's very true that there are people. There are all forms of people in the church.
Sure.
We have people who are growing, we have people who are sick. So how do you differentiate between a mature Christian and somebody who is freshly born again? As a person, how are you able to tell, even for yourself, that I'm matured or I'm growing, or like I'm
and flow by every wind of doctrine, but rather is focused in the knowledge. A mature believer is one who is in practice and into actions. So that he can at least attain a
mention practical because in conclusion our time is up.
God and obey his commandments. Go for the word.
Go for the word.
The steps you have to follow to mature, go for the word.